Good day, everyone. Again, Sawadika. First of all, I want to thank God for allowing me to be here today, standing before all of you in this amazing blockchain summit. It's truly an honor to be here with 5,000 delegates from 55 countries representing my beloved country, the Philippines. I want to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude to the people who became part of this journey. To my Philippine community, are you here?
Yes!
Are you proud that you are part of this?
Yes!
Thank you for your trust, belief, and unwavering support. You are one of the reasons I continue to push forward and share this amazing opportunity with passion. To Ted Kabili, my direct upline, who first invited me this journey, thank you for opening this door to me. Sometimes one invitation can change a person's life, and yours did exactly to me. To my amazing upline, yes, it's been like a brother to me. And Regine, my upline from Korea, my Amma, Sinbad and Victoria, thank you for coming all over the Philippines. We are so much happy for coming there. Of course, to Erwin, who's been always with me, our consultant, thank you for consistently guiding us, helping us understand the bigger vision. And of course, to my upline, my mentor, my daddy, Anthony. Anthony, are you there? Thank you for believing me, for giving me a breakthrough here in Caripac. Sending my team to Academy, because I believe is powerful, and your support helped me forward with confidence. The Sam, are you there, Sam? The Sam, my upline, who silently helps behind the scenes. Thank you. Sometimes the quiet supporters are the strongest pillars, and we appreciate within you. And to our founder, Mr. Johnson Zhao, thank you for creating Caripac and blockchain. You built more than a company. You created a life-changing opportunity for people around the world, especially in the Philippines. I also want to say something to my fellow Filipino. Philippines, we will make it big. Do you believe that? I believe our country has incredible potential. We are